session. In this session, we are going to learn the basic VLOOKUP function where we are going to work on multiple sheets and exact match argument. Okay, so I have some data over here. These are the names of certain people. Okay, the first name and the last name is provided. They belong to certain political party and that party code is provided. I need to know the name. I have to match the name of the political party based on this party code. Now, where do I have these party names? My party names are available on a different sheet. Okay, so the party code is provided and the party name is available. Now, I need to know to which party any of these people belong to. Fine, this is the basic objective of this activity. Now we can use the basic VLOOKUP function in Excel and we can solve this problem. Let's try and see how we can go ahead with that. So I initiate my function by using the basic equal to function and VLOOKUP. Okay, now what's the first argument? That's the lookup value. What is the lookup value? The value with which I have to match the information in the next sheet. Okay, so I have to look for this value. Okay, what is the party name of this code? So this is my lookup value, which is my table array that's on my next table. So in this table, I have to look for my information. Okay, this is my table. I don't want this information to get shifted when I am dragging, so I would like to freeze it. So the keyboard function is function F4. So my table is frozen. Now the next argument, comma. Now I have to match it with the party code or with the name of the party. Obviously I have to match it with the name of the party. Okay, so that is column number 2. So type the value 2. This is 1, this is 2. Okay, now I need an exact match. Okay, I need an exact match. I need to know which party the candidates belong to. Okay, so I would have to type false, or you can directly select it from here. Fine, so hit enter. Now I get to know that Smith Fred belongs to the Democratic Party. So you simply drag it down and you get to know that each of these candidates belong to which political party. Fine. I think this is an interesting application of VLOOKUP. And I expect that you will come up with more innovative usages of VLOOKUP because this is one of the most important functions that you are going to use in your professional career as well. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Spread a good word about it. Thank you.